Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get eggs in Brawl Stars. So I'm going to use a certain website that has a tutorial on how to do this. There is a specific pattern of swipes on your smartphone screen, of course, that you need to do to get those eggs. You can get multiple and different rarity eggs in Brawl Stars by doing this method. So in order to get to try this method, you need to go to your browser and in search type in how to get eggs in Brawl Stars, press enter, and there's going to be a certain website which is a Screenplays mag that you can use. You can also try, of course, other websites to try and figure out the same pattern. For example, this one, the one from the top, but I recommend doing this one from Screenplays. And yeah, so basically you go down, you scroll down and you find a certain swipe combination. So as you can see, you can have different rarity eggs, just like I said, rare eggs, and there's a combination of swipes in here. There you go, the one that I've chosen here. Also you can get super rare, here's your combination, and of course we are slowly getting to the mythic ones. And of course, if you get super lucky, you can also get the best egg, which is a mythic and legendary. So super rare, this is your combination, and of course the very last one is going to be mythic egg or legendary egg if you're lucky, and this one's going to be 3 times left and right continuously. This is going to be your combination pattern. So this is a very good method if you like this video. So if you like this video, guys, press the like button, subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.